So dito na ako sa SM Supat. So going na ako sa food court, guys. So I'm here na sa food court, guys. So naka-set up na ako ngayon, guys, dito sa food court. Okay na. Mamaya ako mag-start 4. So nakapagpalit na ako, guys. And 1 hour pa. 4 o'clock ako mag-start. So all set na ako dito. And bibili na lang ako ng battery. So guys, always check yung mga gamit niyo, especially battery if you're using acoustic guitar. So always nyo check, baka mamaya low bat or wala na palang yung battery. Hangin yung acoustic guitar. So yun, sabi na ako, mamaya all set na to. Kain muna ako. This is my first time here, and I hope that you will have a great day. And I'm Daniel Shen. I'm part of the busking community. Thank you for giving us an opportunity here in SM Supat just to showcase and to entertain people having this busking. And you can support me by following my socials. It's on the board. And as I start my busking today, I will just sing a worship song. Your grace goes on and on, and I will sing of your goodness forevermore. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Watching through the windows, you're wondering if I'm okay. The secrets are stolen from deep inside. The drum beats out of time. You lost, you get it, and you will find it. Time after time. So guys, tapos na ako dito. So kakatapos ko lang bilang, guys. Ayan, may barya na, puro barya. May pamasahin ako pabalik. Ayun, so mas okay nga na dito, experience sa SM Supat. It's my first time na mag-busking dito, pero okay nga. Okay dito. Medyo malayo lang talaga from Quezon City, pero goods. So magka-pack na ako. Yan, so uwi na, guys. Uwi na ako.